Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
Muscle building tips and muscle nutrition. In this video we're going to talk about nutrients that make your muscles grow. We will also talk about things that will slow down muscle breakdown. Most people think that for one to gain muscle you only need protein, but that's not true. Basically, the digestive process of proteins begins in the stomach, where stomach acid and enzymes break down the protein into smaller peptides. These peptides then travel to the small intestine, where they are further broken down by enzymes called proteases. The resulting amino acids are absorbed into the bloodstream and transported to the liver. Once in the liver, the amino acids are either used to synthesize new proteins or they are converted into glucose or stored as fat. If the amino acids are used to build muscle, they are transported to the muscle cells where they are joined together by peptide bonds to form new muscle proteins. This whole conversion of breaking down the protein and then building it back up requires vitamins, minerals and other things. In other words, they are basically coenzymes or cofactors that help convert the raw material amino acids into body tissue. The two top nutrients that are mostly missing would be potassium and trace minerals. Potassium is an electrolyte mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve impulses. Adequate potassium intake is necessary for the proper functioning of muscle cells, including the muscles used for movement and the muscles used in the heart. We need 4,700 milligrams of potassium a day, which is like consuming 7 to 10 cups of vegetables per day. Potassium deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and cramping, making it harder to perform physical activity and build muscle. Trace minerals like zinc, magnesium and iron also play a vital role in muscle function and gain. Zinc is important for protein synthesis and the growth and repair of muscle tissue. Magnesium is needed for muscle contraction and relaxation, and a deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Iron helps transport oxygen to the muscles, and a deficiency can lead to anemia, which can cause fatigue and weakness. Other vitamins that you need are fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E and K, but specifically vitamin A. You also need certain B vitamins and vitamin C. These are all necessary in the actual muscle conversion. What happens when we work out? Working out places physical stress on the muscles, which stimulates muscle growth and adaptation. When a muscle is worked, the muscle fibers are damaged and the body then repairs the damage by building new muscle proteins. This process, called muscle hypertrophy, leads to an increase in muscle size and strength. When you engage in resistance training, such as weightlifting, your muscles are forced to work against resistance. This causes small tears in the muscle fibers, which then triggers the process of muscle repair and growth. As the muscle fibers heal and grow, they become thicker and stronger, resulting in increased muscle mass and strength. We want to go through some common issues that people have that are not necessarily related to nutrition. Insulin resistance is a condition in which the body cells do not respond properly to insulin, a hormone that regulates the uptake of glucose by cells, including muscle cells. Insulin acts as a key, allowing glucose to enter the cells, where it can be used for energy. When cells become resistant to insulin, they are less able to take up glucose and use it for energy. Insulin resistance can inhibit muscle growth after working out by reducing the availability of glucose to muscle cells, which can limit the ability of muscles to repair and grow. Insulin is an anabolic hormone that helps to promote protein synthesis, the process by which muscle cells build new proteins, and muscle hypertrophy. Insulin resistance can limit the anabolic effect of insulin, which can reduce muscle growth and recovery. Another thing is stress. It can inhibit muscle growth by releasing the hormone cortisol, which can break down muscle tissue. Cortisol can also decrease testosterone, which is an important hormone for muscle growth. Stress can also lead to poor sleep, which is necessary for muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, chronic stress can lead to fatigue, making it difficult to maintain the intensity and volume of workout needed for muscle growth. So how do we correct this? Intermittent fasting would be a good thing to start with. First, It can increase the levels of human growth hormone, HGH, which is important for muscle growth and repair. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may increase HGH levels by as much as 5-fold. Second, fasting can increase insulin sensitivity, which can improve the ability of muscles to uptake glucose and amino acids for growth and repair. Third, intermittent fasting can also help you to stick to a calorie deficit, which is essential for muscle gain. It can help you to eat fewer calories overall by making you less hungry and less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. You can watch our video on intermittent fasting to learn more about the topic. It's important to note that adequate protein intake, along with regular exercise, is necessary for muscle growth, but it's also important to have a balanced diet and not to overconsume protein, as it can lead to negative health effects.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.